What is up, everyone? Welcome back to this channel. You guys actually liked the sit down microphone inside my computer video. So in this video as well, we're going to be going inside my computer. I'm going to show you an easy way on how you can start your vending machine business for less than $200 a month. I'm really excited to be able to show you this because I think there are so many people that are limited by the resources that they have. So we actually have a chance here to be able to leverage, similar to rich people, leverage other people's money and essentially buy our vending machine. So let's hop right into my computer here, and I'm going to show you guys this website, which I think is perfect for any beginner in this business, because essentially if you're just starting out, it might be hard for you to buy your machines. So I think it's very interesting to be able to have this opportunity. So let's go here. Make sure you guys can see my screen. All right, so you're going to want to go to just vending.com. So vending.com is where you want to go, and boom, this offer here right on the homepage is what we're looking for. They're offering this crazy special offer, 0% interest financing. If you want to start your business, this is how it's going to be. So let me go back here. Well, that's actually what we need is the financing application, but I'm going back here just to show you guys. It actually works out to be $43.16 a month. Guys, $43.60 a month. Like, that is absolutely crazy when you think about it. You're paying for nothing. You're paying for them to like finance your machine out, and you can start this business. If you get a location that's not making $50 a month, guys, that is not the right location for this business. It was actually a lot more when I had went through this website and bought a machine. One of my first machines was through this website. It was $148. I remember specifically because they took it out of my bank account every single month. So it was $148. Now they're doing $49 for the one type of machine, $43 for the other. I think that's absolutely amazing. And they also accept credit cards. So they're coming to you with credit card readers on it. You really can't beat this deal. I must be honest here, because you are able to start your vending business in no time. You're able to finance it out with 0% financing for 12 months. So in 12 months, if you're not able to save up the $4,400 or whatever the machine value is, I actually don't know I think it's around $4,400. That's pretty much what they make. The average annual sales per machine is $4,416 according to NAMA. So I think that's very awesome about this industry, is that these machines do make money. Even on the low side, they're still making $4,500. On the high side, they can make way more than that, between $8,000 and $12,000 if you have a plus location, and maybe even more for some other type of locations like schools and colleges and things like that. But guys, you saw it here first that you can now finance. These are some awesome opportunities just for February. I'm not personally going to be doing this, but I think it's awesome. I think it's super awesome that you guys can have this opportunity. So if you want to start a vending business, you now have no excuse to not start your vending business. Go to vending.com. You don't even need to tell them I sent you. They do have affiliates. I am not an affiliate of this company, but sign up. If you guys need a machine, do your due diligence though. I must say, I am not a financial advisor, so do your due diligence. Don't blame me if you invest and do something incorrectly. I don't want any of that responsibility. Purely educational content here, but I do think this is a great offer. If anyone has a location or is looking for locations and you get one, bam, this is it. Their lead time is about 2 weeks, I believe. So from when you go in and get your location, you have 2 weeks to contact them. They'll deliver it right to the location, right to the exact spot that you want it. They'll unwrap it for you and deliver it to the door. So I think that's an awesome opportunity for anyone wanting to start this business. And as I always say on this channel is, you are one vending machine away from changing the entire direction of your life, because you don't know what's going to happen. Once you get that vending machine, it could be, a killer location or maybe a bad location. And then you might have, bad thoughts about the vending machine business, but you do have to keep moving forward from that. And that's as simple as it is. So here's your opportunity to start a vending business. Here's one of the easiest ways that I've come across now for, the years I've been in this. $50 to buy a machine that usually costs $3,000-$4,000 brand new. $50 a month is not that bad. That is crazy to hear, and it's factory direct. You usually are not going to get that. There are so many distribution companies that are scheming off the top. So if you go to a distribution company, they're usually profiting off the top of it. This is direct to the manufacturer, direct to the source. You know exactly what you're going to get because they are the actual factory direct supplier. So I think that's really awesome with this company in particular. There are other companies, and I'm not hating on other companies. I myself on Vending Business Solutions, we sell vending machines ourselves as well. We are not exactly factory direct. So we actually are factory direct now that I think about it. Yeah, we are factory direct, but not promoting myself, promoting this because we don't have this type of financing. $50 a month is unheard of. And if you want to, sign up for it, I think all you got to do is go to this financing right here and fill this out. I don't even think it's that crazy of information. Flexible repayments, it's up to 48 months, guys. If you need 4 years to do this, you could do it. So, you could just go to apply now and you could see exactly what's going to happen. You just got to fill this stuff out. So, and it looks like if it's just over 25,000, that's when it's serious with like your tax returns and stuff. But guys, you can seriously get this machine even if you don't have any, income or disposable income. If you don't make $50 a month, I don't know what to say to you, but hopefully you're making $50 a month that you can have, that you can dispose into a business. If you're not, I'm not trying to be rude there, but I think you shouldn't be looking at, starting a business because obviously if you can't manage your funds pre having $50 a month, then, I think there's other issue there. But on that note, I'm not trying to offend anyone. Here's your financing chance. If you want to finance a vending machine business, if you want to start your vending machine business, this is how you're going to do it. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video as well. Now we're going to cut to the next part of this video, which was not in the title or anything, but I did have someone ask some questions on my channel, and I'm going to go over the two biggest things is electricity costs as well as business licenses. I get these questions all the time. There is no goddamn electricity costs. No one is ever going to tell you, and if they are, I don't know what's going on, but like no one is going to ask you to pay for the electricity of your vending machine. They are going to be happy to have your vending machine. They're going to be excited to have your vending machine, whether it be with credit card, with not credit card. They should not ask you about electricity costs. They may ask you about commission. In that case, that's your ball. That's your court. You figure out how much commission is good for you based on your profit margin. We all get different product prices, so you need to figure that out. On to the second part of it. Even for the financing, you can see here, you need a business or DBA name. And that is a thing. So even the way to do this for you, and I guess I do have a little business advice for you, is start a DBA. Go to your local town hall, whatever it is, and say, hey, I'm looking to do a DBA, which is a doing business as. And a DBA is going to help you so far in this business because now you can use a name, somewhat, it's not trademark, but you can use a name that's set and only for you in that state. So whatever it is, XYZ Vending Company, that is now you're doing business as. And then at the end of the year, you file on your own personal tax income. So it's pretty interesting that we got to that point. But yes, you do need a business license for this, or a business name, or DBA. So you can go to your town and get that. It's super easy to do. And that kind of answers the second question, was about business licenses. So you do need business licenses for this business. Some need more, some need less, but maybe you need a sales tax form every month. It all depends on you. But thank you guys. Just wanted to go over some quick things for this channel, help you guys out here, see how I can help you, because I think so many people in this business, or so many people that want to enter the vending business, aren't sure how to start. And I think this is one of those videos where it's really going to teach you how to start, because it's not about knowing what to do. It's not about just the basic things of, collecting snacks and taking money out of your vending machine. That's not what this business is about at all. And the business is about this, is finding how you can buy machines for cheap. How can you finance really, really good equipment? Like these machines from vending.com is from a supplier that's been around for like 100 plus years. So it is really awesome that we have this opportunity to be able to get them for cheap. I'm not going to lie. I kind of want to buy one, and that's pretty much it, because $50 a month, I know I can find a location for it, and I know it's going to make more than $50 a month. So I think that's so awesome that they're giving this opportunity for everyone. And as always though, guys, make sure you're smashing that like button, make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you're commenting down below if this helped you at all, if any of the videos on this channel helped you. There's going to be playlists now, so you're going to be able to check out the playlist for different vending videos, how to get locations, what it's like to service an account and stuff like that. I'm really excited to be pushing more content on this channel, even outside of vending. As I streamline everything here, I'm going to bring a lot of stuff to this channel so you guys can learn how to be an entrepreneur and how to be successful. But you're one vending machine away from changing the entire direction of your life. If you want to start a vending business and don't even know where to start even before this, I sell a book on Amazon, Vending Revolution, How to Start and Grow Your Vending Business. You could check it out there if you'd really like to. You could support me that way. I don't make any money really for making these videos besides maybe like $3-4. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.